Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up or first time boot the Poco C75. Now to do that, first of all, you have to power on your Poco phone. Now if your smartphone is completely powered off, just press and hold the power button to power it on. Now once your Poco phone is powered on, you will see this interface. Now from here, as you can see, Xiaomi HyperOS. Now from here, just tap on this arrow icon. Now from here, just select your language. I will select English. Now from here, you can increase or decrease the text size. Just like that. Now from here, once you have done that, just tap on this blue arrow icon at the bottom right side on the screen to move forward. Now from here, just select your region. Now once you have selected your region, just tap on the blue arrow on the bottom right side on the screen. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on I have read and agreed to the user agreement. Now from here, tap on this arrow icon one more time. Now from here, tap on skip. Now from here, just enter the password of your Wi-Fi network. Now from here, tap on connect. Now once you have done that, just tap on the blue arrow one more time. Now as you can see, getting your phone ready. Now from here, just wait a few minutes. Now from here, just enter your email or phone number to sign in. Now you can skip this step or you can enter your email address. Now once you have entered your Gmail, just tap on next. Now from here, just enter the password of your Gmail. Now once you have entered the password of your Gmail, just tap on next. Now from here, tap on I agree. Now from here, just wait a few seconds while your smartphone is getting your account info. Now from here, if you see the option of copy apps and data, you can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, and more by tapping on next. Now you can skip this step and tap on don't copy, or you can tap on next. Now from here, I will tap on don't copy. Now from here, you can enable use location or you can disable it. Now once you have done that, just tap on more. Now from here, tap on more and tap on accept. Now from here, if you have data backed up on your Gmail account, you can back up the data like your photos, videos, your call history, or your contacts to this smartphone. Now to do that, just tap on turn on backup. Now from here, you can set a screen lock, a fingerprint, or a face unlock. Or you can skip this step. Now to set a screen lock, just tap on screen lock. Now from here, just select the screen lock options. You can select between pattern, PIN, or password. Now I will select PIN. Now from here, it is asking you to remember your password of your screen lock. Now from here, just tap on got it. Now from here, just set up your PIN, just like that. Now from here, just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now from here, just tap on this arrow icon over here. Now from here, tap on continue. Now from here, tap on more and tap on I agree. Now from here, tap on more and tap on I agree. Now from here, just select more and tap on I agree. Now from here, you can set up Google Pay. Now to set up Google Pay, just tap on next or you can skip this step. Just tap on skip. Now from here, tap on no thanks. Now from here, just wait a few seconds while your smartphone is getting your phone ready. Now from here, tap on this arrow icon at the bottom right on your smartphone. Just tap in one more time. Now from here, you can change the font. Now it is currently on default. You can select Mi Sans. Now I will select default. Once you have selected your choice of font, just tap on this arrow icon. Now from here, you can set up your lock screen or you can skip this step. Now from here, just select the default launcher style. You can select the app drawer or you can select the classic, which disables the app drawer. I will select app drawer. Now from here, once you have selected one of them, just tap on this arrow icon one more time. Now just wait a few seconds. Now from here, just tap on this arrow icon to complete the setup process. Now as you can see, this is how you can set up or first time boot the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.